Cool.
You good? It's tired. I'm in the dress. You good?
White dot. Red store. Clearing out the Christmas. Adding the Valentine. Came to Target to look to see if there is any leftover Christmas items on clearance. So they have some beauty items on clearance, but I don't use dry shampoo. And I don't use texturizing shampoo. Lipstick, not my shades. So let's see if we see anything else that could be on clearance or a super sale. Oh, that was a long line at Target because we have a snowstorm predicted in the area for Sunday and Monday. Ooh. Target has a small grocery section. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
How you doing?
I'm all right. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. Would you happen to have any more Christmas clearance? I saw a little bit in the middle, but
That's it.
no. So sold out or sent back?
Sold out. Most of it sold out. We didn't get very much this year, so
Okay. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Hopefully it won't be. All right. So she warned me. Sold out, but you never know what you can find if you look close enough. It feels like spring and summer were just yesterday, but it's January. I have a decent amount of greenery at home, so don't need any faux plants. But these are cute palms. These are actually nice. Right, but let's see if we can find any Christmas. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Blankets and cushions. $10. So if you don't need this stuff and you can hold out till after February 14th, maybe the 15th or 16th, you may get these on clearance if they're still available. Let's see. Ah, here's some Christmas stuff. Oh. Now the pine cones, cinnamon pine cones. They smell a little old lady-ish, but we could still check to see if it's on clearance. But the broomsticks. Let's see what these bring up for. Actually, this one is good. And this pillow does not look Christmassy. Or we could check to see how much it rings up for. Aww, got the summer items out. Everything's empty. 4 days after. If you're ready for charcoal season. Empty, empty, empty. Okay. Here's the scanner. Let's see. All right, this is a nice pillow, actually. Oh, I see a clearance tag. It says clearance $15.99. Let's see if it went cheaper. Aw, was $31.99, $15.99. So still 50% off. Let's see how much I use cinnamon broom. $7. $3.50 was $5. So it's only about 30% off. Okay. So maybe Target didn't discount a lot of things, or the super discounted stuff is already gone. Seeing all these colors. Bouquet of roses. Yeah. Target, Target, Target. Don't need no TVs, electronics.
What's your name? Yeah, this is one of his favorite stores.
No Christmas patterns. Oh, this is a Christmas pattern. Sometimes if you look for Christmas patterns, you may get lucky. But no, true Christmas pattern. I mean, it looks close. Let's see. Let me try to price.